I didn't really plan to make a video for this Christmas. It just kind of happened and I figured I might as well share it. So this is the beginning. Like most men, I was running incredibly late with all of my Christmas shopping, so Logan and I had to go out the day before Christmas Eve and literally buy everything for Yasmin. He found a giant stick and ended up hitting an old lady with it. It was pretty funny, but then he started screaming when I took it off him. And then came Christmas Eve, and we, like many folk, had the tradition of opening Christmas Eve boxes with the kids. These main presents were for tomorrow, but they had a couple of toys to play with for the evening, some comfy pajamas and snacks. It was a nice little teaser. Sophie and Cara came over to chill and celebrate with us. They're Yasmin's closest friends, and honestly, pretty much family at this point for us. They're closer to me than most of my own family anyway, so it made the whole Christmas experience a lot nicer to have them here too. This is where I stopped filling in all the B-roll for a minute and actually take over in person. Alright, so it is officially... What time is it, Alexa? What time is it?
It's 12:13 a.m.
Oh, it's Christmas! It's Christmas Day already. The kids have like a Christmas Eve box, which is just like some basic present stuff to get them excited, pajamas and things like that. I did have to take Logan out, and we went to a shop because I had to replace a present that I got for Yaz because I got the wrong size. Even though I checked with her, she said it was the right size. Apparently I still fucked up. I don't know how I did that. But yeah, now I'm sat amongst a... Let me show you. I'm sat amongst a mountain of presents. It's gonna be a good day. I also have this squishy. It's very much like a nut sack. The trick now is to make sure the kids actually stay asleep until Christmas Day. Well, until the morning. That's the hard part. Like actually getting all the presents and stuff. That's step one. Step two is making sure they don't come down at 3 o'clock in the morning and open everything without us actually being there. Christmas this time of year is always lovely. Like I never really had huge, massive Christmases when I was a kid. We had like some presents and dinner and stuff like that, but it's so different when you have like this big family. It's really, really nice. Hence the videos, because I just feel like I feel very uncomfortable talking about family when I'm playing with a nutsack. That's like uncomfortable. It's just nice, you know. It feels cozy. It feels like I'm able to give my kids everything that I wanted when I was younger. It's a nice experience. I hope you're all having an amazing Christmas. If I post this like a couple of days after, which probably will happen, I hope you had a great time. The fuck? I was meant to be going to bed with Yaz and then I got sidetracked. Yaz got me an Alexa and all I've ever had is Google's, so I'm playing around with Alexa and trying to figure out what she can do, and guess what? She can whisper. Look, come here, come over here. Look, ready? Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:17 a.m.
How cool is that? Anyway, I'm gonna go get some sleep, wake up with the kids early in the morning, and hopefully we're gonna have an amazing Christmas. I hope so. I hope the kids like all their presents. I didn't pick any of them. Yaz did like all the picking. I just like hope for the best, and yeah. But these ones are all mine. Should I open them now? She would never know. No, I should behave. Maybe just one. All right, time to skip ahead. I'll catch you in the morning. Logan, it's Christmas. Come on, let's go get Lexi. Let's go get Lexi. Lexi, it's Christmas. We got presents. Santa's been his presents. Does he?
Yeah, I told you don't want me up. I was want me yourself.
We have presents. Let's go get presents. Quick.
Daddy, want me up. I was want me yourself.
I'm sorry, but there's presents. There's presents and chocolate and sweets and everything. Okay, Google, turn downstairs hallway light on.
Okay, turning the downstairs hallway light.
Come on, let's go. Where's it go?
I don't realise it was...
He's a book for in the morning. After you.
Thank you.
Look at all these presents.
Yeah.
It's Christmas! It's Christmas!
One more
You got one exactly like Lexi, now you don't have to order.
You got two! So when you break one, you got another!
I got it.
Yeah! You can write it down to Grandad. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, retract that.
Rewind it. Rewind it.
No. You got a new body.
It's beautiful.
Which car is that?
Oh, so there's no bin bag. You're gonna eat that later.
No! Why?
You gotta watch.
No way, Sophie!
What you got?
Oh, sick. Look what
I'm
you
wearing it,
got.
I'm wearing it. Oh, it's a poo!
Outfit. It's a funny outfit to wear.
Oh,
You out.
oh, that one says Lexi. Oh, there's one more. What's that?
Oh,
That might be your favourite one. Do you like? You good?
gonna cry. Put your stuff in here, okay? So you don't lose it. Open this one.
What's inside it, like?
You have to look to find out. Look.
Turn it around. You're looking at the back.
Can I help?
You're welcome.
What is that?
Dad!
Yeah, stay up.
Dad! Where's my water?
What is it? What is it? What is it? Wine and beer tasting with Vineyard. Oh, shoot! Are we going to it?
Yeah.
Well, me and you?
Yeah.
Sick!
I love how you're hugging that
sitting
thing of
on
gin and
it.
tonic. Like that's the only present you've got like attached to you.
No, not.
2.5 hours later. I wasn't expecting it to take that long. I am knackered. I was waiting till 5 o'clock. Kids kept getting up, super excited. That meant I had to send them back to bed. So I'm exhausted, man. Now we need to get ready, and I think we're going to Yasmin's dad's place, where there's going to be more presents, and there's going to be food and everything like that. There's a lot of B-roll in this video, but it's Christmas. I don't want to spend the whole time talking to the camera, and also very tired. But the kids are having an amazing day. That makes me really happy. No trains, quick. Quick, go, run, now, quick, run, go. So I feel like there's already been too many cinematic shots of kids opening presents. But essentially we just went to Yasmin's dad's place, had a really wonderful dinner and went home. I think there were like 10 to 15 kids there at one point, so it was pretty mad. Hi. So it's New Year's Eve and we've had a really lovely couple of days, just chilling, relaxing, not really doing anything. And now, because everybody needs to take New Year's pictures, Happy New Year, post it on social media, whatever. Yes, what are you doing, bud? Why are you putting makeup on?
So we can take pictures.
It's like 8 o'clock,
7.
and you're putting makeup on to take some selfies. But why? Beautiful, that. Look at that. Should I do my makeup as well?
Yeah.
I'm naturally quite sexy. Roxy's not really feeling the New Year vibes, are you? Is it the fireworks? Or this guy? Yes. Huh? What? We do me a mouth. What is that? Go on, baby. I believe in you. You got this. Keep going. Run. Run. Try again. You got it. You got it. Run. No. Come on.
Shoot me.
Go.
Shoot me.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
What the fuck?
Try again. You gotta like get past all the obstacles.
How? It's so difficult.
It's not. You got this. I believe in
Am I gonna win?
Maybe, if you keep trying pretty hard.
I am.
Oh, yeah, you got it! Keep running away.
How do I do it?
You just gotta keep going towards the goal. That's it. No, other way, that way. That's it. Keep going. No, wrong way! No, that way! No! We got 20 minutes until the new year. I've guessed, had a great night with the kids. They've been in dancing, playing, mucking around, having fun. And now it's time for the fireworks. Also, it's kind of bad seeing Sam Ryder, the dude from TikTok, on BBC on one of the biggest nights of the year. What is this TikTok madness? That's my city, London!
Yeah! Watch all the fireworks.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Happy New Year! Alright, I'm hitting the sack. I hope you all have an amazing start to 2023. Hopefully this video comes out in the next day or two, but yeah, just make sure that this year is one of the best that you have ever had. Keep chasing your dreams, work hard. Love your faces, you're amazing and beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.